Hi y'all, my name is Ruby and I'll be doing my breakthrough mock video on teaching thesis statements. Hi class!
Hi!
Alright, so today's lesson we're going to be learning on how to create a thesis statement. So, as I can see that you guys already have your papers out, so what I want you to do is the first do now. Write down what you think what a thesis statement is, and then get together as a group and discuss it. And then we'll discuss it as an entire group. So I'll give you guys a few seconds to do that. So pencils down in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so can anybody tell me what y'all came up or what is a thesis statement? Dante?
We all pretty much said that it's the point of the paper where you're writing it.
Okay, so it's the point of the paper. Good. Is it just any random point? Is it?
It's like the main point.
It's the main point. Okay. Alright, good. So that's correct. The thesis statement is the main point of your paper. So it is the building foundation of how to start your paper. It gives you the structure or the foundation to structure your paper completely. So now what we're going to move on to is that we're going to move on into this example. I created this little image of the house. So we have the foundation, the structure, the door, and the roof. So I'll give y'all about 10 seconds to think about it, discuss it, and then we'll come back together as a group to see what y'all think the thesis statement would be. Eyes on me on 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what did y'all come up with as a group?
I think this thesis statement is the foundation of the house.
Okay, so the foundation. Why is that?
Because it's the most important part of the house.
Exactly. So, like any building house, you can't build a house in just plain land. You need to have a foundation to structure it. So this will be considered your thesis statement. And obviously, as we progress later on, we'll talk about essays. And the door will be your introduction, letting you into the structure. This will be your body, and this will be your conclusion. But none of this could be tied together unless we have our foundation. Okay? So now, what we're going to discuss is what makes a thesis statement. So as I'm talking about what makes a thesis statement, I will want y'all to write this down on your notes. Okay? So what makes a thesis statement? First, you have to identify the subject of the prompt. So if you're given a prompt, you need to make sure what it's actually asking you to do. Second, you need to figure out what position you're going to take on this prompt, whether it's for or against. Thirdly, your thesis statement could not be a statement of fact or opinion because it should be debatable. So it should be either a claim or an argument, must be clear, and it must be specific, not too general or not too narrow. It should be enough that you can easily talk about it, about your paper, okay? Okay. Thumbs up to let me know that you guys have written down the paper or the notes. Alright, awesome. So now I'm going to let y'all practice on writing your own thesis statement, applying what we know about what makes a thesis statement and know the importance of it, of creating an essay. So this is the prompt that we're going to go over. Should students wear uniforms to school? Okay. So I'll give y'all a few seconds to come up with a thesis. and then we'll come back together and discuss it. Okay. Thumbs up, y'all are done. Alright, great. So I'm going to share with my example. Although students dislike uniforms, it gives them a sense of belonging and unity. Okay. Can anybody tell me, do I address the subject?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Can y'all tell if whether I'm for or against the wearing of uniforms in school?
For.
Okay, yeah, good job. And is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. And is it stating a fact or opinion?
Yes.
An opinion? Okay. Alright. So you see, even though it is kind of tricky, but it does give you a sense that it can kind of go both ways. But you trying to make it best suited to make it a claim and argument. Okay. So now can I have somebody share their thesis and we'll discuss it? Dante?
I said students should not wear uniforms because it takes away from their uniqueness and personality.
Okay, good. So does that identify the subject
Yes.
of the prompt? Alright, good. And is it a statement or an opinion?
It's an opinion.
It's an opinion, yes. But it is written in a form and argument, so it is a good thesis. So it does give you the foundation of to make your argument. Okay? So that is it for today. And thank you y'all for watching.